What's the meaning of audit trail? Audit trail. Audit trail.
Audit trail. Audit trail. An audit trail is a chronological record of events that provides documentary evidence of the sequence of activities that have affected at any time a specific operation, procedure, or event. It is used to track changes and maintain the integrity and accountability of processes in different fields such as accounting, finance, and computer systems. The audit trail documents information such as who performed an action, what was done, when it was done, and why it was done. This helps to ensure compliance, detect fraud, and facilitate investigations if necessary.